Room Planner Home Design 3D app. So let's just tap Get to install it. So this is a nice app to design your room in 3D. It's quite quality app. So if you just bought a house or apartment or want to decorate your existing property, it can help you do it easier with less hassle and achieve better results in less time for the little fraction of total expense. So you can visualize your dream and get a better idea of what it will really look like, and enrich your habitation with the furniture from world famous brands. Change anything in the picture from colors on the walls to layout of the furniture. Share your vision with your partner, flatmates, or constructors. Publish your project to portfolio. So that's how you can see it. And yeah, that's the app. More than 100,000 items from real brands and online stores, and then you can just make sure everything is fitting. Yeah, so that's the app. It's quite large though, so you need to know that the app size is 1.15 gigabytes, not megabytes. So it's like quite large app, and then yeah, you can just play with it, create a floor plan, share your ideas and get reaction, change your room style with AI, and then yeah, you can just open it up, and then here you just select. There's a price for that. So weekly $7, $35 for half a year. So $70 around for a year. So then you can just add a floor plan. You can scan the room. You can start from blank. So for example, you just have it here, and then open 3D plan. So then you can just browse around and then walk around the room, and then you can just add furniture. Like for example, just want to add some bed, and then I just want to search for some, like, I don't know, I just need to search for some brand. So here you can search by furniture, by category, by photo. So for example, if I just put this IKEA, then you can see like add to room, whatever. And then I can just select the style, and then select change the walls. So, and then yeah, I can just drag it basically. So that's the idea of the app, that you just play with it, and it's quite a nice app. It's really easy to use. And it's like, all right, so probably so added plinths, and then yeah, I can just take a look here. Then I just add another furniture, and then basically you just playing with it, just like that. So yeah, pretty cool app. It's very well designed. It feels very smooth. Uh, so yeah, anyhow, that's the idea, and then you can just play with this app. So yeah, try it out.